Hi friends, I'm back with a very short video. So let's discuss about the correlation of Nifty and SGX Nifty. So we all know, right? Basically we use the SGX Nifty just to know whether is it going to be like gap up or gap down, because SGX Nifty runs almost like not 24/7 but more than our Nifty. So the moment the Nifty ends our day 3:30, we see that SGX Nifty still runs. Okay, I think you can watch other videos wherein if you want to know what is SGX Nifty and everything, but today's video is just the correlation of Nifty and SGX Nifty, how we can do the price action. So let me take you to first let me take you to the SGX Nifty. So if you look at this SGX Nifty, this one, so it is almost like 0.67% negative. This is our Nifty closing 17,512, and this is where the SGX Nifty is trading 17,387. So net almost like 140 150 points we are negative, meaning SGX Nifty is negative. So looking at this chart, so every retailer would think that it's gonna be a gap down. Okay, so maybe Nifty will also open at 17,388, or it can just give like 0.3% gap down and then it will go further down to match up this SGX Nifty, or else it will open flat and quickly give a gap down, or else we know, right, even though the SGX Nifty is down, market Nifty can go up. So if trading is so easy based on the SGX Nifty, if you can just take all the calls, so I think trading would have been very easy. So what I wanted to show you is this is my price action in the SGX Nifty. Alright, so these are all my resistance, support levels and everything. So now as we know that 0.67% is negative SGX, so what are the potential outcomes? Okay, so maybe if you look, maybe SGX Nifty can at least see it gave a break out of this trend line, right? It went up and then it made a resistance here, because if you look at this, there is a strong support, resistance, multiple lines are there. So this acted as a strong resistance. It went up, it came down, again it tried to go up, again this has given a sort of resistance. Now it is coming down. So how much of down move it has made from this eye? Almost like 1.34%. okay, now what if SGX Nifty has to make a down movement? So maybe this black color line will act as a strong support. So maybe another 0.50. okay, let's say 0.50. so SGX Nifty can make another 0.50 down move. Okay, let me show you. Okay, it can make a down move, and then this black color line will act as a strong support, because that has acted as a support and resistance in the previous. So then it might make a move. So if this happens, how does our Nifty look like? Okay, let me take you to Nifty. Okay, if you look at the Nifty, I'm on 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is my 1 hour time frame, but again I'll take you to 15 minutes, right? Make a note, friend, make a note on the 1 hour time frame. Even the Nifty has already respected the trend line. See, this has acted as a trend line, right? Maybe resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3. See, resistance broken out. What did I say? The moment the resistance got broken, so why did it came down from here? Because if you look at the trend line, so there was a strong, see, resistance 1, resistance, support, resistance, support. So that's the reason it was a false breakout. It came down. Again it has given a breakout. What did I say? Any genuine breakout has to retest. Why did this retested here? Because we have a strong resistance. Previous resistance will act as a resistance also, right? So now it came. So now we are standing. Now see, it again came down. So now it is respecting this resistance. So what will happen? To make it more clear, I'll take you to 15 minutes, right? You have seen the round. Now it is taking the resistance. So to make it more clear, what I'll do, I'll take you to 15 minutes. So that will give us more clarity. Okay, this is where the Nifty stands. Okay, now let's say the SGX Nifty is already 0.67% negative. Okay, so if that is the case, so maybe can we expect like 0.67% gap down? Okay, maybe Nifty will open a gap down, right, and then it might bounce back. Point number 1, because SGX Nifty is -64%, so maybe Nifty will give you a gap down, right? We know this will act as a strong support, because if you look at this, see, there is a 2-time resistance, 1-time consolidation, right? This is very important. There is 1-time resistance. Check here, the same line acted as a support. Okay, so even this acted as a support. So there are like 4 to 5 rejections in the past. So what I'm expecting is, if it is a gap down, if it has to follow the SGX Nifty, because SGX Nifty is father basically, because Nifty majority of the time it follows the SGX Nifty. If it is a genuine breakdown, I will say gap down, it will gap down here, it can go up. Point number 1. Or else the other possibility would be it will gap down, and even if SGX Nifty is also going down. What did I say? If you look at this SGX Nifty, right, if it comes down, if it has planned to go till this support line, so the market has to fall almost like 0.72% or 0.1%. So if that is the case, so then the Nifty might, one second, right, see, if that is the case, the Nifty might gap down, okay, and then it might fall down. So this will act as a strong support. So support 1, from here it can take a U-turn based on the SGX Nifty, and if it has to break, it will come. This will act as a strong support. Reason being, see how many resistance we have, support and resistance. 1, almost consolidation, right? 1 more resistance. See, the same thing acted as a support. If I drag this line, we all know, friends, if I drag this line, definitely, see, if I drag this line, so there will be like one more. See, let me show you. See, maybe, see, there is consolidation and it took a support. So what I meant to say, net, this is the correlation of your Nifty with SGX Nifty. Basically, we use the SGX Nifty as the tool to know gap up and gap down, and Nifty usually 70-80% of the time it follows the SGX Nifty. So this is the way we need to do the analysis. By doing the price action on the SGX Nifty also, you will be able to get to know how the Nifty can behave. So based on that, you have to plot your support and resistance. We got right, there are like only 2 possibilities. If Nifty takes a bounce back from the current position, so then the expectation is like, sorry, I mean to say SGX Nifty, the expectation is like bank and Nifty will open like 0.67 gap down, and then it will bounce back. So this will act as a critical resistance. If this resistance is broken, we all know, if it retests, and then slowly it will make higher highs and higher lows. So maybe the next target would be this one, as we discussed yesterday. The next target would be this one, and the next target would be this one, resistance. If this breaks, we all know this first support will be this line. If you want to know the other supports, you have to just draw the identify the rejections basically. So this would be the other rejection, for the simple reason being, see how many times it acted as a resistance, resistance, resistance. The same thing acted as a support here, it went up, resistance and support. You're getting my point, right? So it will, so now this will act as a strong support. Even if this gets breached out, you know, right, this is the way we need to draw the 3 immediate support and 3 immediate resistance, which will help you in terms of doing your adjustments. And this is the way I do the adjustments. I avoid unnecessary adjustments unless and until my first support or second support or third support is breached. I'll be not doing any adjustments. Unless and until my first resistance, second resistance, third resistance breached, I'll be not doing any adjustments. All my adjustments are based on my 3 supports and 3 resistance, and this support and resistance I'll be like drawing it on the Nifty, and definitely the bigger picture, whether it is it going to be like uptrend or downtrend, so that I get with my SGX Nifty, because we all know SGX Nifty is the father of Nifty, because end of the day, right, you know, right, even our market closes, but still our future Nifty future gets traded in the SGX Nifty. Alright, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and also if you want, you can just share with your friends. Alright, thank you, friends.